That's right. I only put a few eggs in here at a time. Don't want nobody to get happy seeing the egg carton too full, thinking that they can just come in here and scramble up 2 or 3 eggs at one time. Listen, you better get some milk and add it to an egg and scramble that. Don't you get too happy because you see this egg container overflowing with abundance. You know how much I paid for these 18 eggs? And yes, we keeping the bruised and the broken. You cook those first. And don't get happy because you can't see the bottom of this container. I've counted everyone. And I'm watching you.